Welcome to Chapter 1, Section 5, Python Arithmetic and Syntax. In this section, we'll focus on how Python handles numbers and arithmetic operations. You'll learn how to apply these basics in cybersecurity contexts, such as estimating brute force durations or analyzing log data. We'll also see why operator precedence is critical to avoid logical errors. Python has some unique rules compared to other languages. Indentation is not just for readability, it defines code blocks. Variable names are case sensitive, so be careful when working with logs or usernames. And we'll see also how Python handles strings and why parentheses in functions are required. When automating security tasks, you'll often switch between integers, floats, and strings. Integers are useful for counting failed login attempts. Floats can represent average attack times, and strings store things like IP addresses or file hashes. Arithmetic is essential in scripts. For example, you may calculate brute force attack durations, compute average packet sizes, or adjust intrusion detection thresholds. We use the following operators. We use the plus symbol for addition, the dash for subtraction, the asterisk for multiplication, and the forward slash for division. Precedence determines the order in which Python executes operations. This matters when calculating things like key strength or risk scores. Parentheses can change the order, making the results very different. Let's jump into Python and take a look at a couple examples for precedence. So let's create a variable called number, and on the right hand side of the assignment operator, let's go ahead and create a expression here. So 3 plus 4 times 3, and then let's print number. So that's 15. So order of operation says, hey, the first thing we do is multiply the 4 times 3, and then we add the 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. This, using parentheses, we can change the precedence by wrapping our 3 plus 4 in parentheses, and that will be evaluated first before multiplying by 3. So let's see how that would look. Go ahead and add parentheses to our expression here, hit enter, and then print number, and you can see we get 21 because the addition is done first. So we have 4 plus 3 is 7, and then we take 7 times 3, which is 21. You can see how this can cause logic errors and why it's important to know the order of precedence when writing applications. Up next, we're going to jump into comments.